We'd like to show you what you receive when you purchase our bioenergy healing course. In this way, you get a clearer understanding of how each element of the course follows a particular sequence for a more informative and easy to understand learning experience. The course is presented via high-quality videos, making the course very easy to learn and understand by simply watching the many tutor-led practical lectures and visual demonstrations. The course begins with a lecture on the history of energy healing and the principle of how and why the energy healing method is used to produce a healing effect in the body. The aim of energy healing is to help activate and stimulate healthy physiological activity at a cellular level to assist the natural inner healing process of the body. We begin by showing you how to feel and sense energy in your hands and how to conduct a complete energy healing therapy session. We describe how illness may manifest in the body and how energy blockages can affect chakras and in turn affect corresponding areas of the physical body. The next lecture describes how to integrate sound with energy healing using sound healing instruments including Tibetan singing bowls to further assist the healing process. We show you a spinal chart and the nerves that exit from between the vertebrae, supplying organs and glands that may be trapped or damaged due to accident or injury, plus the recommended energy healing flows you can apply to help heal the back and spine. There are many helpful case studies including how a therapy session was conducted for a person with chest pains and heart issues, a person with depression, and cases of patients and clients suffering from panic attacks, anxiety, insomnia, and aches and pains, plus many more. Case studies can be of great assistance as they usually describe a typical energy healing session and how it was conducted, and also how energy healing techniques were applied in each case. Learn how you can apply energy healing for distant healing, using a sample of hair and a photograph of a person many miles away who may be sick or unwell. We have added a complete section on dowsing. Learn how you can use dowsing for possible food sensitivities for yourself or another person, plus checking for possible chakra imbalances and for geopathic stress. There are many elements of the course dedicated to chakras. We describe the base chakra, sacral, solar plexus, heart, throat, third eye and crown chakras, and the energy field of the body. In these sections, we describe how organs and glands may be affected by closure, blockages, or imbalances in the areas corresponding with the chakras. You can also learn how you can clear and balance the 7 main chakras in the body. In the section on techniques, there are video lectures which describe in detail all the techniques you're likely to require during an energy healing session. These are laid out in an easy-to-learn ABC-style format, where you learn techniques such as energize, stimulate and draw out, plus many more. The next section of the course is called applications. Learn how to carry out a complete therapy session for various health concerns using the energy healing techniques, plus how to work on various areas of the body including the back and spine, plus organs and glands, joints, the heart, kidneys, liver, lungs, nose, sinuses, the pancreas, spleen, stomach, and all the systems of the body, including the immune system. There is also a set of audio files with meditations and relaxation music, plus a 360-page ebook, which you can download and save these to your computer for use at a later stage. When you have completed the course, plus the short exam that follows, you will receive your certified diploma in bioenergy healing. In this comprehensive energy healing online course, with the help of our professional tutors with almost 30 years of experience, we have endeavoured to cover every level and every aspect of energy healing, from the basics of what energy healing is to the most advanced levels and up-to-date methods of bioenergy healing, available anywhere today. Learn all this in the comfort of your own home, in your own time, at your own pace. Our support team are here to help and assist you every step of the way. We sincerely hope you enjoyed the course and wish you great success on your healing journey as a certified energy healing therapist.